Hi, this is Rasim from Jensen Outdoor. We will show how to replace swivel on the swivel rocker chair. I will take off swivel mechanism with the base, separating from the chair. Tool requirement, it's 13 millimeter wrench, socket wrench. Okay, now we're separating base from the swivel mechanism. Tool requires 4 millimeter Allen wrench on 4 millimeter screwdriver or wrench. Now we will show the replacement swivel mechanism. They can use existing hardware. Okay, now we'll change swivel base to the swivel mechanism. The bolt with the washer is supposed to go on the bottom of the plate and through the hole on the base. Then cap nuts with a washer go on the top. And you tighten how far it goes with the hand on top. And last movement is with the wrench on the bottom. Okay? We will show now to attach swivel mechanism with swivel base on it to the chair. Requirements is existing bolts could be used on 2 on 2 on each side. Some blocks is required just to support the bolts to stay in place. Could be cardboard thick enough, could be wood. Now, next step is to attach swivel mechanism to the chair. The right position is these bar. They go on top of these 2 blocks, which is welded here. That's the right way. Before that, 2 rubber pads required between spring and the chair. Okay, next step is rubber pads. Then aluminum plates on top of that. Next step is flat washer, spring washer, and nuts. But make sure everything is tight, check all bolts, then it's done.